Switch between PCs using the HP 720 or 725 dual-mode keyboard and mouse with HP Accessory Center. Using HP Accessory Center, or HPAC for short, you can switch your HP 720 or 725 dual-mode keyboard, mouse, and your monitor all at once from one PC to another connected PC. This method also works for any multi-device keyboard or mouse that is supported by HP under HPAC. For this to work, both PCs must be connected to the keyboard and mouse, either through a Bluetooth or dongle connection. The PCs must also be connected to the monitor with monitor cables. To begin the process of connecting all devices, power on the keyboard and the mouse. Insert the unifying USB dongle into PC1. The keyboard and mouse are automatically paired to the unifying dongle, so inserting the dongle into a PC connects all of the devices. Open the Bluetooth pairing menu in the Settings menu on PC2. Press and hold Bluetooth option number 1 on the keyboard to enter pairing mode. And then select the keyboard in the Bluetooth pairing menu on PC2 to pair the devices. Follow the connection prompts to connect your device. On the bottom of the mouse, press the button to select Bluetooth option number 1 and then hold the button to enter pairing mode. Select the mouse in the Bluetooth pairing menu on PC2 to pair the devices. This video displays the process for pairing the HP 720 and 725 wireless keyboard and mouse to the PCs using both a dongle and Bluetooth connection. If it is preferred, you can also pair the keyboard and mouse to both PCs using only Bluetooth connections instead of using the dongle. Connect both PC1 and PC2 to the monitor using monitor cables. In this example, we are using a DisplayPort cable for PC1 and an HDMI cable for PC2. Next, install HPAC on both PCs. To do this on each PC, open your App Store and search for HP Accessory Center. Then select the option to download and install the app. Some HP PCs have HPAC pre-installed, or your PC may prompt you to install HPAC when you connect your keyboard and mouse. Once HPAC is installed on both PCs, open the app on PC1. When prompted with the End User License Agreement, read through the terms, check the box to agree, and then select Apply. Beginning with PC1, from the HPAC home screen, click Settings, and then select the Device Connection tab at the top of the app. Toggle the Switch Monitor Connection option to On. To the right of monitors currently connected to computer, select Generic PNP Monitor. Then below Monitors currently connected to computer, open the drop-down menus for each connection and select the device that is connected with that specific connection. Open HPAC on PC2. From the home screen, click Settings and then select the Device Connection tab on the top of the app. Toggle the Switch Monitor Connection option to On. To the right of monitors currently connected to computer, select Generic PNP Monitor. Then below Monitors currently connected to computer, open the drop-down menus for each connection and select the device that is connected with that specific connection. Both PCs are now connected to the monitor. Click the Switch to button to switch your monitor input to the associated PC. To verify the devices currently connected to your keyboard and mouse, click the Devices Currently Connected to dropdown. The active connection is shown highlighted in green. Click the Connect button to switch your keyboard, mouse, and monitor input to the associated PC. Now that you've set up device connections in HVAC, you can change all available devices using the associated channel buttons on your keyboard and mouse. On the keyboard, select the unifying dongle button to switch the keyboard, mouse, and monitor to PC1. Select the Bluetooth Connection 1 button to switch all devices to PC2. To change all devices using channel buttons, HVAC must be running in the background.